water available for a lot of people falling sick due to water diarrhea. There is every possibility of an outbreak of epidemics of epic proportions. But so far what we have done is that we have a very efficient disease early warning system, and if you draw your attention to it here, whenever we see any spike of any case which is life-threatening, we move our health team and this spike controlled, another spike again controlled. So we, by virtue of this disease early warning system, has been able to really ensure that there has been not a single epidemic on the plant ever since we started. Of course, sustainable support that we have to provide to the people. Go next. Quick damage assessment and full-scale reconstruction and rehabilitation. Restoration of livelihood, especially farm-based livelihood, is a huge challenge as well. Assistance that we require in the relief phase when the tents and the wide clinic, because we want to strengthen our outreach program. Very difficult for people to come back to a hospital and consult the doctor. We got to push these people out. We also need re-watering pumps to push out the water, stagnant water now and close down the houses. And we also need water filtration plants to make sure that we provide clean drinking water to the population. So those are, I think, some of the areas I thought I would throw up for your information, to give you a baseline understanding if there are, issues, questions. And I understand you have traveled a long distance, so it's going to be.
Thank you very much for this very good overview. As you probably know, we are here to get a better view of the needs and the relief work so far in weeks ahead, so that we better can see some hints at this terrible situation. I was thinking of the revised response plan. You pushed over outside the September 15th. Can you tell a bit about the work in the response plan so far?
Yeah. What we've done is, as far as relief is concerned, we said we will continue to focus on those 4 areas that we've already mentioned, which is food, shelter, health, and water and sanitation. When it goes to the early recovery, then, as I mentioned, there are again 2 areas where we have told, because that framework was created by us, because we didn't want the UN to follow a bottom-up approach. We are implementing partners will come up with all programs which may not really fit into our overall structure or overall scheme. So we have said focus on farm-based livelihood, that's number 1. We want the people to get that. On transitional shelter, so that they have some place to live. Third, look at temporary restoration of health and school facilities, either through prefab or even through proper school care. And fifth, community infrastructure, which means essentially the drainage, the sanitation, the water irrigation channels to be able to provide water. And finally, the governance structure. All our records are in different government institutions, those have been washed out.